Hi, my name is Rick Sanchez. I'm with a company called Tractor Tip Equipment, and what we have for sale here today is a Komatsu Caterpillar 312 hydraulic excavator. We're going to talk a little bit about the mechanics of this particular machine in the first clip, the operating specs in the second, and we'll run it in the third. Price on a new machine these days is equipped like it is probably about $130,000. This machine currently has 7,085 hours on it. We use it around the yard, so the hours may accumulate. As far as manufacturers go, Caterpillar is well known in the world of heavy construction mining equipment. They're ubiquitous, they're synonymous with construction equipment. They build solid, reputable, reliable equipment with great parts availability, and their machines stand the test of time. This machine weighs 27,410 pounds. The widest point are these tracks right here at 8 foot 3 inches, and the tallest point is the top of that cab when it's in transport profile at 9 foot 3 inches. The transportation link when it's tucked into transport profile is 23 feet. Comparable machines are like a Komatsu PC120 or a John Deere 120, maybe a Kobelco SK135. It's probably a little smaller than that. As far as the history of this unit goes, this machine, like most of the machines we purchase, is original owner Dallas, Texas machine with no rust. We're far enough south and 300 miles from the ocean, so the only salt we see is the salt on our kitchen tables. We don't mine salt. We don't do anything with salt here in Texas. It comes from a large, well-organized contractor here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area that had a comprehensive maintenance program that rivals some of the best I've seen. We, as well as our customers, have been happy with all the machines that we purchased from these guys, and it should be said that before I buy a machine, my mechanics thoroughly inspect it, and before I write a check for it, I go out and inspect it personally. So we keep from buying anything that needs any kind of work done. As far as options go, this machine is pretty much just a straight excavator. It is an enclosed cab, obviously. It's got an air conditioner, it's got a heater. Both of those work. The engine, I gotta get up here to show you the engine. I'll show you this little box here. Oops, sorry about that, I'm out of frame. That box right there is, it's just like a little toolbox or something like that. You can get that. There's your engine right there. That's a Caterpillar 3064T. There's the top of the cab. This machine has got a 66-gallon fuel tank, which will run you anywhere from 14 to up to 18 hours of operation, depending on a single tank of fuel, depending on your application. All the fluid levels on this machine are where they should be. This machine is mechanically sound with no leaks. The undercarriage is about 65%. See if you can get under there. There's no leaks on the final drives. The final drives have got plenty of power, enabling this machine to counter-rotate. All of the hydraulics are strong on this machine. There's no cracks or welds anywhere in the work equipment. the original paint job of the machine. All of the pins and the bushings are relatively tight and in above average condition for the hours of the machine. That turntable has got almost no deflection in it. Like I say, that's indicative of a good maintenance program. The cutting edge and the teeth are about 85%, or the teeth rather, and the side cutters. Side cutters are probably a little more worn. As far as the bucket width is 39 inches. Heap, that's probably about a 3/4 yard bucket. The maximum dig depth for this tractor is 17 feet. I'm sorry, this has got the longer stick, so it's probably closer to 18.5 feet. Maximum reach at ground level is 27 feet. Maximum dig height is 27 feet also. We're gonna run it in the next clip. Okay, so this is the inside of the cab. Here's your key right here. You got a, this has got a start button right there. So you turn the key on right here, and you start it right here.
Putting on the tree for you. Are you going to go to the top of the tree and grab that fruit at the very
There's
top?
your radio.
The constitutional carry.
Up there.
That fruit's looking pretty sweet.
Works fine. The AC blows cold.
Better give them their rights or they'll step up their game.
Of course, it's cold outside today, so
dealing with the suits. Video has been forwarded to the Texas Department of Public Safety. The Texas Department of Public Safety has said that.
Of course, you can't see that. I don't know if you can hear it.
And our calls to Washington have not been returned. 4:33 on KLD.
CBS News Update. I'm Harley Carnes. The FCC commissioners called for regulation of the internet as a public utility and to schedule a vote on it later this month. CBS News technology analyst Larry Megan.
FCC Chairman Wheeler is proposing that broadband services be classified as telecommunication services. Utilities,
Pretty warm air right there.
which would give the government some power to regulate how they operate.
Now this monitor panel works. This thing right here is like for your lights and whatnot. I'll see if I can get the this lens again. What they did is they pulled this off for some reason. I don't know why they did that. But there's no error codes or anything. This is a 24 volt system, so you don't want to plug your iPhone into it.